Dear students, today I am going to discuss the lesson The Hound of the Baskervilles. Students, I am explaining the whole summary of this chapter so that you may be have to solve the question and answers of this chapter by yourself. The main characters of this story are Sherlock Holmes, who is a famous detective character in Conan Doyle's story. The second character is Dr. Watson, who is an assistant of Holmes. The third character is of Sir Charles Baskerville, whose death is a mystery in this story. Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson are investigating about the truth of Sir Charles' death. We will discuss other characters along with summary. Okay? The story is started with the mystery of the death of Sir Charles Baskervilles. The local people think that Sir Charles' death is connected to a curse, and according to the curse, a monstrous dog wants to take revenge from Baskerville's family. Sir Henry Baskerville, who is the successor of Sir Charles, is in danger. Dr. Watson goes to Baskerville Hall to meet 4 suspected people. These suspects are Barrymore and his wife, Stapleton, and his sister Beryl Stapleton. Holmes takes the help of Lestrade, who is a police detective, and they all visit to Baskerville Hall. Holmes saw the portrait of Sir Hugo Baskerville, which was hanging on the wall. Sherlock finds some similarity in portrait and Mr. Stapleton's face, and he was sure that Mr. Stapleton is belonged from Baskerville's family, and he has a motive for murder, so that Stapleton could inherit the property of Sir Charles Baskerville. There is most important thing, that is they have to save Sir Henry's life. Further, we will see in this story how will they do it. When Holmes and Watson and also Lestrade also were going and about to reach to Stapleton's house, they saw through a window that Stapleton and Sir Henry were sitting at the round table and enjoying their drinks, because Stapleton invited Sir Henry to kill him. That was a foggy and dreadful night. They were hiding behind the rock. Suddenly an enormous hound came in front of them. It was Stapleton's dog. He applied phosphorus in the hound's mouth and a glowing mixture on its body so that it could seem horrible. The enormous dog attacked on one of them, but the Holmes shooted the hound and it was dead. Now, they all were relaxed that the hound was dead now. At the end, when they find Mrs. Stapleton, who was bounded in a room of the Stapleton's house, she discloses the Stapleton's secret. But when they reach the secret place, they find that Stapleton have been slipped and fallen into the mud, and now he was dead. So students, this is the summary of the lesson. Okay, thank you class.